For millions living with spinal cord injuries, recovery has always felt just out of reach. But today, something extraordinary is happening. Scientists are launching the first-ever human trial of a therapy that could reverse spinal cord damage, and maybe even end paralysis as we know it. Right now, over 15 million people around the world live with spinal cord injuries. Until now, treatment has mostly been about managing symptoms, not repairing the damage. For decades, the hope of walking again, of regaining independence, has been a dream always just out of reach. But scientists may have cracked the code using something called induced pluripotent stem cells, or iPSCs. Think of them as a reset button, cells that can transform into any type of cell in the body. In this case, researchers are turning them into neural cells to replace the ones lost in spinal cord injuries. Here's what makes it different. Unlike personalized stem cell therapies that take months and cost a fortune, this new approach uses donor cells, off the shelf. That means it's faster, more scalable, and possibly much more affordable. After 4 years of success in the lab, the first human trial is officially starting, in China. And if everything goes well, this treatment could be available to patients worldwide by as early as 2028. Imagine what that means. Someone told they'd never walk again could stand. Someone who lost independence could take it back. Families could see hope where there was none before. But can this therapy really deliver on its promise? Will it change the lives of millions, or face the same setbacks as other medical breakthroughs before it? The world is watching. We may be standing at the edge of a medical revolution. If this works, it won't just be science, it'll be miracles in motion. If you want to follow stories of breakthroughs shaping our future, hit subscribe. Here on the Gizmo Guy, we make the future simplified.